that were utilized on the GPRS stream?
Lapha uGPRS mkwasetshenziswa ke umakhalekhukhwini abangaki?
4.
How many?
4.
Bane.
Okay. Now, let's proceed to page 8. Of the annexure. Can you identify what is appearing on this page?
Athini okuvela kuleli khasi?
Page 8 identifies the call data for AMA usage.
What is AMA?
It's incoming and outgoing calls.
So ke lapha kuyabonakala ukuthi ke ekhasini lesishiyagalombili kuniswa izingcingo ezangena nezaphuma.
And then the cell phone number?
072 766 8169.
Ifoni ke esetshenziswa 072 766 8169.
And then the results on the stream, how many calls, outgoing and incoming?
There were 5,142 results for this stream.
So ke izingcingo ke zaziyinkulungwane ikhulu elilodwa namashumi amane nambili.
So does this number reflect outgoing calls, incoming calls, outgoing SMSs, incoming SMSs, and as well as call forwards?
Yes.
Ngiyakhombisa ukuthi khona ke ingcingo ezangena nezaphuma nemilayezo yangena neyaphuma.
Okay. I want us to start now on the transactions of the 26th of October 2014. I think it's on page 11. The first transaction on that day, can you place it on record?
The first transaction actually reflects on page 10 for the 26th of October towards the bottom of the page.
Okay, yes.
At At 7:12:56 on the 26th of October, you would see that the number ending 8169 received a SMS.
So on 26 October 2014 ngo-7 12:56 ushuthi le number ke egcina ngo-8169 yathola ke umlayezo we-SMS.
That is a duration of 0. We cannot see that the other party number.
So lenye ke inumber kwaxhunyana nayo ke ayibonakali.
And the tower that was picked up was Holt Street.
Manje ke itower eyayisetshenziswa leso sikhathi kwaku-Holt Street.
Thereafter, at 7:28:16 seconds,
Ngesikhathi ke sika 7:28:16 seconds
on the same date,
ngalo lolo suku
an outgoing call was made from the number ending 8169.
kukhona ke ucingo olashawa ile number le u-8169.
It lasted 82 seconds
Kwahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nambili.
It was made to the number ending 8570.
Yayiya ke kule number lena ke locingo lwale kule number ephela ngo8570.
And the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Manje ithathwa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwaku iMoy Street.
Thereafter, still on the same date,
Ngalo lolo suku
at 9:17:31 seconds,
isikhathi kwaku 9:17:31 second.
the number ending 8169
Inumber ke ephelela ngo8169
received a call from number ending 0681.
and yathola ke ucingo oluvela ku8. What's the number again?
0681.
Egcina ngo0681.
And Moy Street was picked up again
Kwakusasetshenziswa ke yona leyo chaya iMoy Street
at 9:31:27 seconds.
9:31:21 second.
An outgoing call was made to the number ending
Yeah, khona ke ucingo lwashawa ke luya kule nombolo lena
6676.
iphela ngo6676.
That call lasted 266 seconds.
Kwaba imizuzwana ke amakhulu amabili nesithupha.
Okay, let's pause there and just zoom into this transaction. On the 26th of October 2014 at 13:49 and 49 seconds.
That's on page 11. At 13:49:49 seconds,
Isikhathi kwaku 13:49 nemizuzwana eyamashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye.
an outgoing call was
Co-
made
Khona ucingo ke lwaphuma.
to the number ending 5787.
Lwaluya kule number ethi ephela ngo5787.
That call lasted for 47 seconds.
Kwaba bahlala ucingweni imizuzwana amashumi amane nesikhombisa.
And the tower picked up there was Phosphorus.
Ithawa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwaku phosphorus.
Yes, and then now I want you to look at the extract from the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel House.
Sicela kubhekeke kuloko okubhalwe Lieutenant Colonel House.
Can you
Yes.
identify the number?
Cela usitshaye ukuthi inamba le evela lapho yini.
Yes, I can.
Who is it associated with?
So leyo number
Fi-
ikabani.
Fisokule Ntuli.
Ibhalwe ngokuthi fiso kuhle Ntuli.
The affidavit of Colonel House is Exhibit DD5B. On page 2. Yes. Did you place the tower location on record as well?
Phosphorus.
Ithawa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwaku phosphorus.
Sorry, what time was it, by the way?
13:49:49 seconds.
13.
49:49 seconds.
Okay. You called some other number. The one you say it ends with 787. Just repeat it again.
So the number ending 8169 made a call to 072 399 5787.
Okay.
And then 26 October 2014 at 14:20 and 21 MTC.
So ngomhla 26 October 2014 sikhathi ku 14:20 21 imizuzwana kukhona ucingo olwangena.
So the number ending 8169 received a call which lasted 11 seconds. And that number that called is 071 507 3517.
So ke ngalolu suku mhla 14 ngesikhathi sika 14 2021 kukhona ucingo olwangena bahlala ecingweni isikhathi esimizuzwana e11 ukuthi ke ifoni ke eshaya lolo cingo olwangena kwa 071 507 3517.
And Phosphorus was picked up as the tower.
Tower section so go Phosphorus.
Now I'm showing, my lord, I'm moving to exhibit S Annexure C. It is there on the screen. Index number 197. Are you able to see what's on the screen?
No.
You can go to the screen. Here's the hard copy, that exhibit as well. Index number 197, where I highlighted in yellow.
Yes.
Is that the same number that the number ending with 169 made communication with?
That is correct, yes.
So the number evela la for index 107 yona yini eyaxhumana nale number 8169 wathi yebo.
Can you place that entry on record as per annexure SC? Yes, that document.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, it's fine. You can stand there.
Okay.
It's the same information.
Index 197, name Nkani, telephone number 071 507 3517.
So index 197 igama unkani inombolo kakushaya ngayo kamakhalekhukhwini kwa 071 507 3517.
Storage USAM.
So ile yagcinwa ke kwihisam.
Yes. Just to go back a little bit, the call at 1349 and 49.
1348, 44, and 1349, 49. There were two outgoing calls from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 5787.
So ngo 1348 44 nango isikhathi sika 1349 and 49 khona ke ucingo lwaphuma ke enambeni legcina ngo 8169 iya ke kule number egcina ngo is it 85.
At 1348, 44, the number called the number ending 9057.
Kuthiwa ke inamba ke
9057.
eyafonelwa u9057
And 134949, it was an outgoing call to number 5 ending 5787.
kuthiwa ngo 134949 ke inamba ke eyafonela inamba le egcina ngo is it 9578
95787. Yeah, 7 at the end.
kuthiwa inamba yakhona u95787.
Yes, that number is the focal point. Now let's go to Exhibit S, Annexure C. Index number 9.
Index number 9. I see it.
Yes.
Index number 9, name Mfokakhumalo.
kuthiwa ke igama elapha ku-index number 9 umfokakhumalo.
Telephone 072
ifoni yakhona 072
399
399
5787.
5787.
Okay, thank you. And then now let's proceed to 1519.
1519 32 seconds on the 26th of October. The number ending 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 5787. It lasted 65 seconds and the Phosphorus Tower was picked up.
Ngesikhathi sika 1932 seconds ngomhla 26 ku-October inamba ke egcina ngo8169 iyafonela inamba egcina ngo5787 bahlala ucingweni imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha nanhlanu kuqhunyana ngethawa yasephosphorus.
Yes. And the entry just above that one of 118 seconds at 15:15:05.
At 15:15:05, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 0821, which lasted 118 seconds.
Kuthiwa ke ngesikhathi sika 15:15:05 le number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo0821 and bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu neshumi nesishiyagalombili.
Tower picked up was Phosphorus.
Tower ke esetshenziswa kwakuyi-phosphorus.
Now I want to show you an extract from Exhibit O. One of the affidavits of Colonel Stein, my lord, where it's written Mabungu Ntuli in the document. It's highlighted in orange.
Yes.
Can you place that number on record?
079 149 0821.
Kuthiwa lapho ke umbiko kaKenneth Khosi kuyabonakala ukuthi khona ile number lena ngathi ibhaliswe nguMabhungu Ntuli. Ekuthiwa ke lapho ke inamba yakhona u079 149 0821.
Is that the same number that received or there was an MOC of 47 seconds?
The number ending 0821 was the transaction of the 118 seconds.
So le number ephela ngo-0821 iyona-ke le eyakwazi ukuthi baqhumane isikhathi esilingana imizuzwana eyikhulu neshumi nesishiyagalombili.
As well as the 40 seconds
Futhi-ke
at 1429.
isikhathi-ke sika-1429 yila baphinde bakwazi ukuqhumana futhi imizuzwana amashumi amane nesikhombisa.
Is it the same number now that was identified as the one belonging to Mabongo Ntuli?
Yona yini le number le kuthiwa ikamabhungu Ntuli?
That's correct, yes.
Yebo kunjalo.
Now let's proceed to 1831 and 16.
On the 26th, the number ending 8169 received a call at 1831 16 seconds from the number ending 5787. The call lasted 89 seconds, and the tower that was picked up was Wall Hunter.
Kuthiwa-ke
Wall who?
ngomhla ka-26 ku-October-ke inamba-ke lena egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number yethu 5 egcina ngo-5787 and isikhathi kwaku-1831-16 bahlala imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesishiyagalolunye and ithawa yayisetshenziswa-ke lapho kwaku-Wall Hunter.
Correction, it's Wall Hooter, not Hunter.
Kuthiwa-ke kuyalungiswa lapha kuyona i-Wall Hunter, i-Wall Hooter.
Yes, before that, at 1739 and 86.
1739 36. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 0821, which lasted 21 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Benrose.
Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika-1739 36 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-0821 bahlala khona imizuzwana amashumi amabili nanye ithama-ke ababeqhumana ngayo kwakuyi-Benrose.
And then at 1820,
At 1820, on the same date, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 0821. It lasted 24 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Jeppy.
Kuthiwa-ke ngesikhathi sika-1820 le number u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-0821 lapho bahlala khona imizuzwana amashumi amabili nanye and ithawa-ke esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Jeppy.
okay, just there, my lord, I'm going to refer the witness to Exhibit J7, Map 4 and Map 5. Do you have a copy of such a map?
Yes.
You say it's triple J.
Yes, 7, Annexure 7. Two maps.
The one I have, it's triple G1. That's what.
To be J7
And it says map 5.
and map 4. Maybe it's the handwriting, it's supposed to be J7.
Just a bit, look at this. Hello, Bruce. That's what I have. And this.
That is the exhibit, my lord.
So it's triple J7.
That's correct.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Can you take the court through the map if you are able to?
This map actually requests tower location and approximate distance.
Le map ke engiphethe lapha izama ukusikhombisa ukuthi amathawa akuphi nokuthi ke amabanga angakanani.
So it is between Benrose Tower
Bona iparty kweBenrose Tower
and George Koch Men's Hostel.
nokuthi ke usuka lapho kuye George Koch Hostel ibanga elingakanani.
It reflects 463 meters.
Yakhombisa lana ukuthi ibanga ke amameter awu 406.
63. 63.
Okay, no, ibanga amameter awu 463 not awu 406.
Which map are you looking at?
4.
Yes.
What map number 4?
Yes.
How many pages do you have there?
2.
2 pages.
Where is number 1 and 2? Mr. Sban. You don't have.
No. They're not exhibited at this stage, my lord.
So why do you say map number 4 and I can't see map number 1, map number 5?
My lord, we left out the other maps as irrelevant, and then we only focus on map 4 and 5.
Okay, fine.
We received 5 maps, but we only going to use 4 and 5.
Okay.
I'm not sure if the map that I'm showing on the screen is visible to the accused persons. Yes, at 1739,
Yes.
it picks up a tower at Benrose.
Ngesikhathi ka 1739 ke iqhumana netower yaseBenrose.
That's correct.
Ithi yebo kunjalo.
Accused number 5, through his advocate, told this court that around about that time, accused number 3 and number 5, they were at the vicinity of George Koch Hostel. Does this tower location reflect that version?
Yes, it's in the vicinity of the hostel.
So umsolo ke kamsolo ummeli kamsolo sihlanu uwatshelele enkantolo ukuthi ke umsolo wesithathu nowesihlanu ngaleso sikhathi babe seduze ne hostel yase George Koch wathi yebo kunjalo.
Okay, just to seek further clarity, is it the cell phone picking up location there, or it is the human being?
It is the cell phone that is picking up this tower.
So ke hayi akuyena umuntu oqhumana nale tower I cell phone.
Okay. Let's move to the next page. This is page 12.
Yes.
No, was on the 26th of October. Sorry, let's go back to the previous page. Yes, 2032.
Please repeat.
20, 32, and 57.
On the 26th of October 2014 at 20:32:57 seconds, an SMS was received, and the tower that was picked up there was Hout Street.
Mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi kwaku 20:32:57 imizuzwana khona i-SMS eyangena ithawa ke esetshenziswa ngaleso sikhathi kwakuyi Hout Street.
And then in relation to the map, are you able to locate that particular street?
On map 4.
Yes.
No. Don't
Okay.
see it here. No, it's not on map number 4.
Okay, let's proceed. Whilst we are on this time, I want us to quickly refer now to the GPRS stream around this time.
When you say around this time, are you saying it's 2032?
That's correct, my lord.
Okay.
Do you want me to have a look at the data on the GPS?
Yes.
Okay. Please bear with me, there's a lot of data to go through. October. So we are looking at
Page, which page
we are
again?
looking at page 114. That's the first page of GPRS data for the 26th, towards the middle of the page. And we're looking for time 20.
32.
So on this one, 26th October 2014, the last entry for the GPRS data is 1852.
Yes.
That was internet usage, and Alexander Park was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa lapha ngomhla 26 enyangeni October 2014 i-data ye-GPRS eyatholakala eyagcina ukuthola ngesikhathi sika-1852 lapho kwakusetshenziswa khona i-internet kusetshenziswa itower yase-Alexander Park.
And the PDP address?
PDP 41.29.53.180.
The last three numbers?
Dot 180.
PDP number yakhona 41.29.53.180.
And the volume in bytes?
440.
Kuthiwa ke ivolume yakhona 480.
And then let's go back to the AMA data.
Yes.
Any other activities on the 26th of October beyond 2032?
No, that was the last activity.
Nokugcina ke kubonakala okwenzekayo.
Are you able to tell this court if the phone or the handset at that time beyond 2032 and 57 stayed on the Vodacom network or not?
No, it looks like for a period of for about 8 hours there were no activities.
Ngesikhathi ka-2032 akubonakali kukhona okwenzeka ngoba kuthiwa amahora ayisishiyagalombili bekungenalutho nje olwenzekayo.
The next activity was only on the 27th of October, round about 8:08:17 seconds.
Kuthiwa ke okwabonakala kwenzeka futhi kwenzeka ngomhla 27 ku-October isikhathi kwaku-08:08:17 imizuzu.
Okay. And then during that time, was the phone ever switched off?
Ngaleso sikhathi ke ayike yacishwa umakhalekhukhwini lo.
There's no activity reflecting, so it could be off, or it could have just not been in use during that time.
Kuthiwa ke akubonakali lutho lolenzeka ngeke kwazeka ukuthi yayicishiwe noma nje kwakuwukuthi nje kwakungenalutho olwenzekayo.
So let me get this right. If the subscriber does not make a call or he does not receive a call during that time, it will not show anything.
That's correct.
Sithi lo makhalekhukhwini uma ukuthi awukho lwenzayo njengokuthi ushaya ucingo noma uthola ucingo olingenayo kusobonakala sengathi akukho kwenzekile.
And then we go back now to the GPRS data as well. If the user or the subscriber does not go to the internet, it will not show any activities.
Correct.
Sithi uma ukuthi osebenzisa lo makhalekhukhwini angene ku-internet angeke ikhombise lutho olwenzekayo.
I want us now then to zoom into the last activity, which is the SMS. And let's try to be precise. From the SMS to the first activity on the AMA data the following day. Let's count how many hours to be precise.
12 hours difference.
kuthiwa umehluko lapho amahora ayishumi nambili.
That is on the AMA data.
Yes.
Kuthiwa ke lapho khulunywa ama-data.
And then on the GPRS data,
So it's more or less the same, 12 hours.
Kuthiwa ke futhi ne-GPRS data kuyabonakala ukuthi hhayi basengathi kuyalingana ukuthi amahora ayishumi nambili.
Request the state to work with us to specifically refer the patient which is quoting those MIR data and the GPRS. Otherwise, we missing him or he's missing us.
on the AMA data, we're on page 11 of 184. And the GPRS data, we are on page 114 of 184.
Correct.
And then the tower location of the last activity on the 26th of October 2014, you said it was Code Street, SGS2.
Correct.
Kuthiwa yebo kunjalo ogcina ithawa yasetshenziswa mhla 26 kwe-Holt Street SGS2.
And then on the GPRS data, the tower,
The tower was Alexander Park, SGS3.
Kuthiwa ke ithawa yasetshenziswa ke kwaku-Alexander SGS3 uma kusetshenziswa i-GPRS.
the time,
Isikhathi
18:52, 30 seconds.
kuthiwa isikhathi kwaku-1852 nemizuzwana engamashumi amathathu.
Now let's move to the next date. On the AMA data, the first activity recorded,
On the next date, on the
it's on page 11,
AMA data is the 27th of October 2014 at 08:08:17. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 0728, which lasted 66 seconds, and the tower that was picked up there was Moy Street.
Kuthiwa ngaphansi kwe-ama-data ngomhla ka-27 ku-October 2014 isikhathi kwaku-08:08:17 ifoni egcina ngo-8169 yathola ngokuvela ku-0728 and-ke bahlala-ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha nesithupha kusetshenziswa ithawa ekuthiwa iMoy Street.
okay? I want to refer you now to Exhibit S, Annexure C, on page 11. Index number 16.
Index number 16, name,
Okay, let's confirm the number before we get to the name. Is it the correct same number that there was a transaction with?
that is correct, yes.
Kuthiwa ke lapha kwi-index 16 kuyabonakala kuseyiyona le number eyenza le transaction.
Then read it into the record, the number.
082
Inumber u-082
255
255
07
07
28.
280.
And then-
Storage SIM And the name is Ugezekile.
Igama ke lapho ke igama ukezekile.
Okay, now let's proceed to page 114, the GPRS stream. The first activity recorded on the 27th of October 2014.
The first activity is on the 27th at 06:52, 30 seconds. The tower that was picked up there was Moy Street.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhla 27 October 2014 isikhathi wa 06:52 imizuzwana engamashumi amathathu itower ke eyayisetshenziswa lapho kwakuMoy Street.
And the volume in bytes?
6116571.
So volume ke lapho 6116571.
And this volume in bytes is in kilobytes, correct?
It starts off with the smallest, yes.
Are you,
Athi ke lapho ke kukhulunywa ngama kilobyte.
are you able to quantify it into megabytes?
Not at this stage, no.
We'll get back to that. Let's go back to the EMA data. And then the second activity on the 27th of October 2014.
That was at 08:23, 59 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5095, and Moy Street was still picked up.
So mhla 27 October 2014 isikhathi ka 08:23:59 second kwatholakala ke kule number egcina ngo8169 ithola ucingo oluvela ku5095 kuqhinyenwa nge-tower ekuthiwa uMoy Street.
Can you just from 1855 to 1734 on the 27th of October, can you just take us through the towers that it was pinging?
Okay, that would be on the next page.
Correct.
1855. I actually have from 1832-19, which is
Yes.
towards the middle of the page.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Which towers can you just tell the court?
From that time, Belgravia was picked up.
Njengokuswayo ngesikhathi sika 1832 and 19 seconds ithola ke eyaqala yasetshenziswa kwakuyibelgravia
Until 1957, 20 seconds.
uyofika lesikhathi sika 1957 and nemizuzwana eyamashumi amabili.
Now, let's concentrate on the call recorded at 1832 and 19.
That was an incoming call to the number ending 8169 from the number ending 3517, which lasted 42 seconds.
So lapha ke kwakuyi ikho evela kule number egcina ngo8169 engena kule number i8169 ivela kune number u3517 wagcina behleli imizuzwana eyamashumi amane nambili.
And then as per Exhibit S, Annexure C, the number ending with 3517. How was it identified? Index number 197.
197. Index 197, the number 071-507-3517, name Nkani, storage Usam.
So lapha ngaphansi kwa-index 197 inamba ke elapho u-071 507 3518 igama unkani.
You're saying 180.
190,
Interpreter, I think, is wrong.
197, index 197.
Right, and the number is?
071
Right.
507 3517.
Yeah. No, it's the interpreter who made a mistake. Did you say 8 and ending 8?
No, it is 3517, my lord.
Yeah, it doesn't end with 8. Fine, no problem.
I must apologize if I said 8, my lord.
Yeah, you said
I was
it.
saying 7.
Ask Mr. Mnisi.
Yes, and then the tower location.
The tower picked up was Belgravia.
Itower ke yasetshenziswa lapho kwakuBelgravia.
Do you know where this tower is?
Athi yazini ukuthi lapho le tower?
No idea.
Athi cha anginalo lwazi.
Just tell me, from my understanding, Vodacom, they are the persons who install the towers, is that not so?
Yes.
Athi ibona yini bakwaVodacom abafaka lama-tower abamisa lama-tower athi yebo.
So you must have a directory of towers.
That's correct,
Yes.
yes.
Ukuthi naye la kubhalwe khona ukuthi le tower ikuphi athi yebo.
Okay, fine. At least I know now that each and every tower must have a map, must have an information, like you're saying, a directory.
Yes.
Yeah,
We have over 10,000
Yeah.
plus towers.
that's it, yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay, on page 114, on the GPRS stream, any other activity on the 27th of October 2014?
Yes. There were activities from 6:42 the morning of
No,
27th.
that one you already testify about. The second one of the date.
The date at 8:13.
Yes.
Yes, there was activity at 8:13:13. Moy Street was picked up.
So khona ukwenzeka ke ngosikhathi sika 8:13 lapho ke kwasetshenziswa itower uMoy Street.
That was picked up right until 8:56:14 seconds.
So ke yasetshenziswa is 8:57.
8:56:14 seconds
Yasetshenziswa ukufika isikhathi sika 8:56 and 14 seconds
on the 28th of October
ngomhla 28 October
2014.
unyaka 2014.
Let's take this step by step, entry by entry.
Okay.
From 1813, which one is the next transaction?
12:01:32. on the 27th of October 2014.
Isikhathi esilandelayo ngomhla 27 October 2014 kwaku 12:01:32.
Moy Street was picked up.
Moy Street yasetshenziswa
At the same time, 12:01:32 seconds, Moy Street.
ngaso futhi leso sikhathi kwaphinde kwasetshenziswa Moy Street isikhathi ku 12:01:32 seconds.
We can then move on to the next date, the 28th of October 2014.
Ngosidlulela kumhla 28 ku-October 2014
At 00:01.
Let's before lunch, we'll visit that after lunch. Let's clarify this. The 27th of October 2014.
Sure.
The duration of the session, the internet session.
Please repeat yourself.
I'm saying the duration.
Yes.
Yes.
The duration on 12:01:32, the first entrance is 92, and the second duration is 43:108.
kuthiwa ke ngesikhathi ke sika 12:01:32 ukuqala ke kwaku imizuzwana e92 kwesibili ke ngaso leso sikhathi kwaku 43:108.
Okay. Going backwards now. 6:52.
6:52 on which date?
27 October 2014.
27. At 6:52, 30 seconds. The duration was 4843, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika 6:52 and 50 seconds isikhathi ke abahlala khona kwaku 4843 and futhi itower esetshenziswa uMoy Street.
Okay, and then lastly on this.
We are lost again. The challenge is the state simply mentions the time and but does not take us directly to the page at which he is. Now I'm struggling to get that 852 on the information that I have here.
Did indicate, my lord, is 114. GPRS stream page 114.
Yeah, at least if the states indicate that we are now on GPRS and we are now on the towers and everything, or on the AMA.
But I do indicate, my lord,
No,
that
you're
now
not
we're
doing
moving
it,
to the
Mr.
GPRS
Siba.
stream.
You just call the date and the time. You don't indicate whether we are on GPRS or MAA.